What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Samsung has started rolling out an all-new update for its Galaxy Store application, which brings in some minor UI changes and some privacy features. If the update is available in your country or region, the moment you open the Galaxy Store app, it gets auto-updated and you wouldn't even know what has really changed. So in this video, I'm going to show you all those minor changes that we have got with this all-new update. Now, before we go ahead, if you are someone who would love to know your phone better, then be sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's dive right in. On the left hand side, I've got the S22 Ultra with the older version of the Galaxy Store, and on the right hand side this is the Note 20 Ultra with the updated version of the Galaxy Store. As you can see, the version number on the updated app is 6.6.09.9 and the previous version is 6.6.08.54. Now let's go ahead and open the app on both these phones. Now here, the first change you will notice is the hamburger menu. On the older version, we have this hamburger menu on the top left corner. I'll just tap on this here. And on the newer version, you can see the hamburger menu is at the bottom right corner. Let me open this menu here. Here you can see the changes are quite evident. We have a revamped layout here on this newer version. As you can see, we have got this whole new tab with My Apps, Updates and Wishlist. Whereas on the older version, we have got these under these dotted lines. And then we have vouchers and gift cards, deals and events. We have the same here. And then we have receipts, subscriptions, payment methods, which is also available on the newer version. And we have got notices right here at the bottom. The new layout design looks much more refined and looks more modern. That's the change we have got on this menu. Now at the bottom, you can see apart from the menu, we have got games, exclusives and home on the newer version. Whereas on the older version, we have got exclusives, games, explore and home. Here the explore tab has been removed on this newer version of the Galaxy Store application. Not really sure what made them do that. Maybe the users are not really exploring options by tapping on this tab. You let me know, have you been using this explore tab on your Galaxy Store? Drop a comment. Now that's about the tabs at the bottom and the hamburger menu option. Now let's go to the settings. To access settings, we will have to tap on the menu button and then tap on settings icon here. We have Samsung account information on the top. Then we have data usage information. Then on the older version, we have personalization option. Whereas on the newer version, we have got an all new category called privacy. Under privacy, we have got privacy notice. And then we have customization service, a toggle to enable news and special offers. And we also have an all new option here, permissions, which is not available on the previous version. You can see we don't have privacy notice and permissions option on the previous version or the older version of the app. Let's go ahead and tap this privacy notice. This will take us to Samsung Galaxy Store privacy notice. You can go through the privacy notice right here. I'll tap on permissions. As you can see, this shows the permissions allowed for Galaxy Store application. It is able to access the phone app, storage, as well as contacts. This shows us what exactly this application is accessing on the phone. That is something to note here. And then we have general, under which we have got notifications and rest of the things as it is on the previous version as well. This is what has changed on the Galaxy Store settings menu. Apart from this, I don't see any other changes. This is what we have got on this all new version of the Galaxy Store application. Let me know how many of you guys have already received this update. Are you using the latest version of the Galaxy Store? Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that like button if you find this video useful. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. There are loads of tips and tricks videos about your Galaxy phones. Do go ahead and check it out. There are a few links in the description, and also there are many interesting videos on your Galaxy phones, Galaxy watches, Android applications, etc. Be sure to check out the channel. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.